Samsung video player. Samsung high log video player. Just decided to take it apart, so I just got rid of my plastic waste. So just putting all sorts of metal in there now. See something on top. Took the screws out. Yeah, I managed to take a couple of little bits apart and stuff where I tried on this record player. So I managed to take, a couple, bits off, and got like, 2 motors there. So I managed to do one board since last time I did a video. So yeah. So I started taking a couple of screws off. So it makes it easy to do so. So yeah, there's one motor there. So that's that off. It's got attached somewhere. That one screwed out there. So can I get to that angle? Oh, that'll go. So so it's just a bit of aluminium. Just 3 screws. So I've got that there. So I have to whip that off, and that will go through, because it'd be like one of them. So put that there. The motor's there. So yeah. So watch. There we go. If I don't listen to that. So just give me that. But I ended up finishing it off camera, so fireplace that off there. That off. Cable in there. So yeah. That's at my own time now. As I said, those 3 screws off, and that's just been alley. That's what it will look like. But then I'm gonna find a way to, that it just looks like, because I can see through there, So that's pretty much clean. Right, I know you guys, so I'll figure a way to get them off when I can. So I've never done them before, but then I know there'll be that, but I think about if I do end up weighing the alley in. So yeah. So when I get some proper, like, you know, I'll see if there's any. If I end up having, you know, some copper being chucked in, I know it's got some alley bits on it. I could probably put some of that in as, you know, chuck it in basic different copper, because I know I took none of these apart, can't see any videos, unless I just put them in as mixed copper. If I got a tub anyway, chuck them in with mixed copper. They can go in my copper wire. They will go in. I can put them in motors, but I know what's inside of them. But it's, you know, it's like that, but with steel on. So I'll save them up. And that can go in his motors. Not all. Actually, I keep that to one side actually. So I keep them for a bit. Put them back there. So I'll shut that in motors. That can go chucked in mixed copper when I get some more. So shut that in my motors. But then what's, you know, I've got pumping motors out of them. I can add them in with them. And that's it. So the next thing to take apart, that one.